Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video of getting y'all some types of length size hair like that you have. So before we get started, just subscribe and click the bell notification if you're new, and follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and if you do got a Twitter, Instagram, if you do, just go on there. But okay, so let's get started into this video. I'm sorry about that, I'm just hungry right now. You'll probably see the title that I want to talk to y'all about the type of hair that you have and the length of it and how it's curly and everything. So also after that, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make your own, like, you know, how my mom kind of did, and now I know how to do it now. So I'm going to kind of show it to y'all. So I said it before, I was going to show it to y'all. My hair's kind of itching me around. I need to use that spray stuff. Okay, so I'm going to go and look up. I forgot to, I need to record this first and do that and do the recording. So, okay, to look up what type of natural hair type for makes like type 3 curl hair. Type 4B hair is for the type of curls and looks more like a zigzag, and made the hair for the with that, because of my hair, I think it's supposed to have like a picture of the type of, if you have type of hair with it, it's kind of like a type 4C with it. Curly right here, because my hair never been curled like this. It all time be like straight when I have my hair, you know, braid back or something. Right now my hair is kind of messed up at my edges. I decided not to mess with it. It doesn't matter. But so yeah, but I think it's supposed to show a picture of the size, but I'm trying to find it. You have your hair flat or curl or something, like when your hair is wet. So when your hair is wet is the 4B/4A. So with the flat part at the bottom, it means that it's long. So with that, mine is really part of 4B and /4A. Really is part like type 4B and type 4A, really to your back, a little bit in your back. But 4A, I don't know, I think it might be 4A. My hair is probably 4A. I think it's probably that. But yeah, I see this and of that, because my hair never been this curl. I had been having curl hair my whole life. Technically, when I was a baby, my hair was kind of a little short when I was a baby. You guys see a picture of that. So my mom always had my hair in a tweed, or from when I was little. A picture of that. And 3B type of hair is I feel like it's all, my hair is kind of all of that kind of, but really I think when you have your hair wet, my hair is really technically is 4B and 4A, and really is both of that, because it's both. My hair is mixed with kind of both, because now I can tell now because of how y'all see I have my hair in an afro of one of my videos. So now on to the next thing that I'm gonna tell y'all what products that I use. I did make videos like this before in the past, but if y'all want to go and see them, y'all can, and they are gonna be up here. One of the sizes, well, I don't know which way is it, but it could be up now. Okay, on to the shampoo that I want to show y'all of the shampoo. So I start back using Sulfur shampoo, because Sulfur shampoo is really good. It helps with, so you don't get flakes, and also it cleans the scalp really good and leaves in all that. And I got to use the Mile and Tail. So I use this one. We've been using this for a long time, me and my mom, since I was like a little girl. So we've been using this for a long time with the shampoo and condition. So when the last time I washed my hair, from like doing 3 weeks ago, I washed my hair. So I mixed this both together in my hands. So we have a Sulfur spray. The Sulfur spray is good too, and I use that in my scalp all the time for my hair start feeling like it's itching. So I use that in my scalp. And I use detangle too if my hair get tangled, but I wet my hair first and Huh?
I see your phone for a minute.
Yeah, I'm done with it. Sorry about it again. I think iPad doing this. Vaseline, get like just use your finger so that I don't make this video too long. Be saying that, but sometimes the video don't. Some Blue Magic coconut condition. Oh, I'm gonna put this in the in the Vaseline and just kind of put this on your. Just put enough in it so it be so full in there. I'm gonna do like this. And also, just have a paper towel and use some of the rest of. I'm gonna use some of the rest of this. Just pour this like the rest of out of it. And use some of this. I hope I can get this out, but if I don't, I might just have to take this top. If I don't get it, I'm just not gonna worry about it. Okay, there. Also this. But this stuff is supposed to be strong. So, oh, this is the name of this stuff. I will probably put this in the description box of it. I promise. I'm gonna put it at the bottom. It's like just pour enough in it. You don't necessarily have to put a lot. Try not to put a lot because we got. And I was gonna put some of this rest of the other stuff. The other for my auntie that she needs some. I forgot to ask her how they go with this stuff. I'm gonna make something like another. We're probably gonna use the rest of like probably use this for the next. Let me. Okay.
What are you talking about?
Turn this thing. I can't get this hair out. Okay, guys, if y'all enjoyed the video that I show y'all of about telling y'all everything about what the stuff that I use to make some more of this and stuff. So this is how my mom did it, and now I know how to do it now. If you like this video, just like it, give me some more likes, a lot of likes, and comment below what products that y'all use for your hair to help, you know, your natural hair or the type of hair that you have. And so I know what, because I know some other stuff I know you can use for shampoos, because I'm soon might get some other stuff I might probably I'm gonna wait for a while. And also subscribe and click the bell notification, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and all that will be in the description box. Follow me on there. I'm trying to grow my Instagram. I haven't been posting on there, but I still want to grow that too on my Instagram and my Twitter too. Really, I don't really tweet on there that much. Not really. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.